In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan and listen to books on Speechify. We'll start in your web browser. Open a new tab and head to Google. This is simply the quickest way to find the official Speechify site if you don't already have it bookmarked. In the search bar, type Speechify and press enter. You should see the official result at the top. Look for the listing that clearly shows Speechify's website. That ensures you're going to the legitimate tool that can turn your text into audio. Click through to the Speechify website. If you're taken to the app page, that's perfect. If you land on the main homepage, choose to open the web app. You might be prompted to sign in or create an account, depending on your setup, which is normal for saving your files and listening preferences. Once you're in the app, find the option labeled Browse Files. It's typically on the main dashboard where you add content. This is where you'll choose the book you want Speechify to read. Select the book file from your computer. An ebook or a PDF works well here. If the file is large, give it a moment to load. Also, keep in mind that some publisher-protected files may not import, so using a standard, non-DRM PDF or ebook will give you the smoothest experience. After you've highlighted your file, click Open. That tells Speechify to bring the book into your library. You'll see it appear in your list of documents, and the app may begin processing the text so it's ready to read aloud. Now the fun part, Speechify will automatically start reading your book for you. Use the on-screen controls to play or pause, and adjust the reading speed to match your comfort level. You can switch voices if you prefer a different tone, and many users like to follow along with the highlighted text to improve focus and retention. For the best listening experience, use headphones in a quiet space, and try starting at a moderate speed before increasing it gradually. If you plan to return to the book later, make sure your progress is saved in the app so you can pick up exactly where you left off. That's all it takes. You went from a book file on your device to a smooth, immersive audio experience with just a few clicks. Enjoy listening, and feel free to repeat these steps for any other PDFs or ebooks you want to hear.